this disease, but there was a this epidemic and endemic, but they in 19 this 2000 it 2000 it became the pandemic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mhm. Now you are in your room, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 I want to talk with Rishika. Hello, Rishika. Rishika.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you, sir?
I am also good now. Okay, the very chill types of cold, very cold morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are in hostel or outside?
So I'm in hostel right now.
Okay, how much time? How are you afford for to clean the room?
So almost 1 day, 1.5 day. Yeah.
Almost one day, more dirty, more. The mouse has not done any this no harm by the mouse.
No, sir.
No, then the security guard was telling me I have seen the mouse in outside the room, but the how much I destroyed. He was telling. Then they tell if you have seen may they make a there's a mouse trap and the should not disturb by mouse of or students. I told them. Okay, okay. त्यसो भएदेखि राम्रै छ गरिरहेको रुम सफा गर्यो अब रेडी भयो पढ्नको लागि
Yes, sir.
कोभिडको डर कतिको छ नि कोभिडको डर कतिको छ नि
I didn't get you.
You are now how much the fear of COVID nowadays?
So the 50% there is a fear and 50% there is a safety. It's all
Uh,
in our hand. Like if we are safe, that taking the precautions and all that, so that we can save from the COVID.
uh, okay, at least 50% is the willpower developed 50%. Now the COVID is remained only 50%. It's okay. The 50% can cover by other this means. Okay.
Yes, sir.
At least at least 100%. The COVID fear, the coverage was 100%. Now it becomes 50% for the human mind. It means it is reducing form. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, 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 good. Uh, uh, Sonam, hello. Sonam Kumari, hello, hello. Hello, Aryan Dungil. Dungil.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Good morning. मेरो तिमीहरूको स्क्रिनमा मेरो स्लाइड आएको छ
Yes, sir.
अहिले मैले सुरु गरेको छैन स्लाइड त सुरु गरौँला अहिले चाहिँ अब सुरु गर्ने बेला हुन्छ 5 मिनेटमा ले तिमीहरूको फिजियोलोजी, प्याथोलोजी, माइक्रोबायोलोजी को त्यो प्र्याक्टिकल तिमीहरूको भएको छ त त्यो उसमा भएको छैन है?
फर्स्ट इयरको भएको छ सर।
थर्डबाट? अनि अब कम्युनिटी डायग्नोसिस तिमीहरूको बाँकी नै छ सिँगै कमेटको?
त्यो बनाए के हो सर?
कम्युनिटी डायग्नोसिस प्रोजेक्ट फिल्डमा गाउँमा गएर कम्युनिटीको स्टडी गर्ने, डाटा कलेक्सन गर्ने, ल्याउने, एनालाइसिस गर्ने, रिपोर्ट बनाउने। तिमीहरूको एक हप्ताको त कम्युनिटी डायग्नोसिस छ नि त प्रोग्राम। तिमीहरू 4 दिन त फिल्डमै रहन्छौ नि, कम्युनिटी डायग्नोसिसमा त कम्युनिटीमै रहन्छौ। सायद फेब्रुअरीको फर्स्ट विकतिर तिमीहरूको कम्युनिटी डायग्नोसिस हुन्छ होला। सुनिल पूर्वे खुब पढ्छ भन्छन् नि, के हो सुनिल पूर्वे? सुनिल
सर।
हेलो। सुनिललाई त सबैले धेरै धेरै पढ्ने भन्छन्, किन त्यसो भनेका हुन् हो?
सर पढिरहेको हुन्छु। अहिले यो कोभिडले गर्दा हल्का।
अनि के पढ्यो? टेक्स्टबुक मात्रै पढ्यो कि अरू पनि पढ्यो? एक्स्ट्रा पढ्यो?
एक्स्ट्रा पनि पढे सर।
एक्स्ट्रा के पढ्यो भन त?
बाहिरको कुराहरू पढे।
एक्स्ट्रा बुक के पढ्यो? गुड, एक्स्ट्रा बुक पढ्यो, राम्रो गर्यो। एक्स्ट्रा बुक पढ्ने टाइम पनि हो। अलिकति के हुन्छ भने एक्स्ट्रा बुकहरूले एक्स्ट्रा नलेज दिन्छ, त्यसलाई के भने यो उसको मेडिकल साइन्सलाई त्योसँग रिलेट गर्न पाइन्छ। एक्स्ट्रा बुक पनि पढ्नुपर्छ, टाइम मिल्यो भने पढ्नुपर्छ।
सर हजुर सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ सर?
ठिकै छ।
यो एडीले नि के भनिरहेको थियो सर अस्ति नि? यो दर्शन साउदले सर के बुझेन भनेर मैले सोधिरहेको थिएँ कि।
ए राम्रो त सोधेछ त, जहाँ अलिकति पढ्ने मान्छेलाई त सोधिहाल्छ नि।
दर्शन साउद क्लासमै ध्यान दिन्न सर।
साउथ के सोध्यो? के बुझाएको थिएन? ठिक गरेछौ, यसै गरी सोध्नुपर्छ। आफूमा सोध्यो भने अनि मैले उत्तर दिन सकिनँ भने त पछिको जाँचको लागि त प्रिपेयर रहन्छ भन्ने थाहा हुन्छ नि त।
उनी पढ्छ सर मजाले। त्यही कहाँ के बुझेको थिएन अनि त्यही सोधिरहेको थिएँ कि मलाई।
गुड। बुझेको पनि सोध्ने नि, उसलाई कसरी आउँदो रहेछ भन्ने, उसले कसरी प्रेजेन्ट गर्छ भन्ने थाहा हुन्छ नि आफूले बुझेको पनि।
अब स्टार्ट गरिदिउँ सर। अब स्टार्ट गरिदिउँ हाम्रो क्लास।
स्टार्ट गरौँ। 2 मिनट बाँकी होला, आइपुगेको छैन होला सबैजना। कतिजना आयो? 57 जना मात्रै भएको छ?
67 भएको छ सर।
67 हो? ल ठिक छ। 75 चाहिँ पुगोस् भनेको, खै
आज पुग्दैन जस्तो छ सर।
हो र?
सबजना होस्टल आइरहेको छ क्या आज।
हो? सब न्यू इयर मनाउन बाहिर हिँडेको छ क्या?
त्यस्तो नि हुनुहुन्छ सर। एडी भाइ त गइसक्यो सर।
$67. ओके। अनि लास्ट क्लासमा हामीले के स्टडी गरेका थियौं? के थियो हाम्रो लेक्चर नोट्स? एउटा स्लाइड त मैले अगाडि देखाइरहेको छु, अर्को स्लाइड्सहरु अरू के थियो टपिक्स? त एकजनाले भन त। ल तिमी नै भन सुनिल।
हजुर सर।
लास्ट स्लाइडको हाम्रो शीर्षक के थियो?
सर त्यो अस्ति क्लासमा अब्सेन्ट थिएँ सर, म नि उता होस्टल आइडिया बेला क्लास भएको थियो अनि त्यो प्रेजेन्ट नै भएको थिएन म सर।
हो अनि अरूबाट लिएनौ त क्लास नोट?
छैन सर लिएको, अब हिजो भर्खर आएको।
लिइहाल्नु पर्छ। कहाँ के भयो भनेको त्यही दिन एब्सेन्ट भइहाल्यो भने त्यही दिन चाहिँ अपडेट भइहाल्नु पर्छ, पछि भन्नै हुँदैन नि। पछि भन्यौ त बिग्रियो त नि।
सर त्यही अब लिनु पर्यो अब।
अनि घट्यो त झन् 67 बाट 68 हुनुपर्ने। If somebody is ill in the house, if somebody is ill, if we are teaching in the bedsides, if we are talking this harassed person, or if there is no disease but the more harass, how to treat it, and how the behavior in illness. What types of behavior should be shown? What is the importance of the behavior in illness? Okay, what is the role of the behavior in illness? How it apply? How we apply in the illness? Who are illness? Okay. To understand fully the behavior, we should ask for details that enable you to envisage what the person's daily life is like, and we should ask the person to describe the problem exactly. Many people could not describe their problem, is it? Many people could not describe their problem, what is happening. What is the problem? Exactly what is that? Somebody will say, now I am, she or he is getting anxiety, she is a fear or any others depressed, but he used to say that I have a headache. I have a headache, or they can say the stomach problem, stomach aching or backache, okay, or I am not getting well, but exactly what is happening, okay, what is the present situation, exact situation, they will not spell out. They could not spell out. That's why there is a multiple corners to ask or the questions to the passenger or the ill person from the multiple corner. It takes more and more time. What the physician are doing, that is not the enough time. Okay, that's why it needs the multiple question from the multiple corners. Okay, needs to find out the illness of the people. बुझिँदैछ? हेलो, म मात्रै बोलिरहेको छु कि सुनिएको छ दर्शना?
सुनिरहेको छ सर।
ओके Okay, people may make their problems worse by their own behavior. They could not tell exactly. They could not tell because of their hesitation. The hesitation will hide their problems. That's why they will not make issue. If they could not make issue their real problem, that's why the other second person could not grasp it. If the second person could not grasp, then they will not give the proper solution. What is happening in developing country? Many types of cases, the people, the person who are suffering could not issue, could not explore. That's why the health personnel could not give the proper treatment. Okay, the first line of the treatment is patient. The first line of treatment is patient. What is happening? The patient will say, patient will spell out. That points the health provider can catch that points. From through that points, if the patients explore or explain the good or explain the right direction, then that medicine can work in right direction. That's why patient could not explore their problem in the right direction, the medicine cannot function properly. That's why the blame is gone. Blame is gone. Go to the medical personnel or the doctors or nurse or the other persons who are treating. Okay, that is the guideline. Okay, that's why it was apply the behavior apply in illness means the what types of perform the this medical persons and the what types of performed by the ill person, the patients. It depends on their communication, their way of getting the or more and more points of the patients. Okay, that points make the doctors easy to give the solution. Okay, well, medicine is not only the solution. Then the multiple solutions are there to treat the ill person. Ill person means not only disease oriented, sometimes the some behavior problems also includes here. Okay, okay. How to change the attitude of and behavior? How to change the attitudes and behavior? Okay, there is a set of attitudes. Okay, that attitudes it is very difficult to change the attitudes. Okay, very difficult. Not only the difficult, it is that to change the attitude is very difficult. To change the behavior is little bit easy, but the attitude is very difficult to change. What is formed in their not only the conscious mode. Sometimes attitudes will form in this semi-conscious, and sometimes it unconscious also. In unconscious mode also, the attitudes will form. Very deep. And there is a no time, no age, and no any the guideline to change the attitudes. But to change the behavior, there are multiple guidelines. There are multiple. This is that time frame that get for the changing the behavior. But there is behavior. But whatever attitude is formed, it is difficult to change. Okay, like some people the problem behavior problem is stealing. Okay, and there's some people behavior is this not this nutty type. Okay, they could not control their bodies, they could not control the speech. Okay, somebody they will do the other activities like abnormal activities which is not the other person or the regularly other person is not doing. Okay, they could not catch the time. Okay, what time and the what place and what is the situation they are doing. In that situation, that should not issue. Okay, they should not issue at that time. Also, they will make a issue. Like when you go, the person sitting on the bench, like student who are sitting on the bench, they are hearing the lecture. Okay, they have a pen and there is a copy. If there is no copy, they have a pen. They will start to write in the different this picture, different structure in bench. If they have a copy, they will make some different types of structure without any conscious mode. Okay, without any conscious mode, and the most many people will do it, and they this think it. If you are on the bench, the teacher is giving lecture, but the what you are doing, you have not never measured. And the when you the other person asked, they, at that time you will remember what you are doing. Okay, see, then when you visit to your class, you can see different writing in your this decks. That writing is if some writing is for the sitting purpose, it is other things. Otherwise, see there different this structure. Somebody you have make the girls eye, sometimes boys eyes. Okay, sometimes different birds, different different structure here you make, and sometimes you are playing games in that the decks, writing some this what to say angles, different angles. You are adding different angles. You are making other angles from that the angles, and you can see there. That is, you have not done. Other people have not done in conscious mode. Okay, your conscious is towards the lecture, and your attention is towards the lecture. But where your mind is moving, where your mind is going, okay, your face is towards the lecture. Okay, but the where is your mind? What is your mind is doing there? Okay, you are writing. You will speak music. You are hearing music. Like you are writing something from the course, but you have hearing music. Then that music sometime hamper, sometime could not hamper because of you where the most percentage of the mind where it is utilizing. Okay, and sometimes this music will guide to focus on that particular subject. Then sometimes it will guide. That will not hamper. Sometimes it will hamper. When you are going to the interview, you will see you will show the different types of activities will hamper. If you are writing something extra thing, extra code in your copy, then your lecture you are making. Sometimes you are making imagination. Okay, and you making that angles, making that picture, you are making that imagination towards that what is the lecture is going, what the person is going. Sometimes if we make a image that is good, not Allah is bad. Okay, that will good for learning. Okay, it makes the easy to remember next time. The most important thing is if you could not remember the imagination, okay, make it imagine. And if you somebody told the telephone number, okay, somebody told name, okay, name, okay, but it is a first time heard. And compare to who is the this types of men others, okay. Then they sometimes told my name is Ramesh. Okay, you have Ramesh. Ramesh. Oh, who is Ramesh? How much Ramesh you remember? Okay, this is the one of the Ramesh. Okay, then compare that. You could not have you if you could not remember the Ramesh, and you can remember other persons. Oh, in that time I have make a imagination for this one. You can remember. Okay, that is the way. Okay, that is a way of changing the this proper way. Okay, this is the changing the how to change the person's attitudes. Okay, at that time the person can remember. Okay, providing the proper environment at that time. Proper environment means the situation. Okay, proper place. Okay, sometimes temperature. Okay, sometimes the different this gadgets. Okay, sometimes different music. Okay, different types of the music. And if you are going to the yoga, and they will play this sound of the used to sign up these songs. Okay, like om, they can pronounce om. Sometimes some instrumental voice. Okay, music. Okay, that will also help to make a good environment. Okay, this motivation. Motivation is also the most important thing to change the attitude. Okay, to change the attitude. Motivation. Now, I will show this like Purve, Sunil Purve is showing other this Dungel. Oh, he is making joke to this Dungel. Okay, then that makes this two persons communication. Okay, what he is doing, you can ask there. Oh, he is reading and writing, but the one person can say, I am not. I am playing game. Oh, I am doing this play hearing this music, or he will hide, and he will not show proper line, and you will not understand what he is doing. Okay, but from the internally, oh, he is not speaking to, truth. He's reading, but he's hiding the reading and telling me playing. Okay, he's playing. It means and sometime I am reading this book, but could not understand. That no one say I could not understand to other friends because of that's dignity. Sometime for the learning. Okay, sometime for the learning that this issue should be hide, and they should to get the what is better things from others. Okay, and for the motivation. Oh, what you are doing? This is the exam time. Oh, this is the reading time. Oh, this is the this very important time. Then what you are using? You doing? This means motivation. Okay. Oh, if you do this one, I will provide these things. Okay, like a child. If you do this one, I will give this presents, or I will give these rewards. If you do it this types of act, okay, then if you do this like this acts, you will get punishment. What is the way of giving the punishment to the child? Okay, what is the way of giving the rewards to the child? Okay, what is rewards and what is punishment? Okay, if you dance, I will give this one. If you sing, I will go do this one. If you clap your hand, okay, clap your hand, I will dance. Okay, like these types of this type also comes in the rewards. Okay, rewards and punishment is the way of changing the behavior. Okay, rewards and punishment is the way of changing the behavior. Okay, then this will play the important role in life. Like see here, the juvenile delinquency. Okay, juvenile delinquency. What is the meaning of the juvenile delinquency? Darsana Bana, what is the juvenile delinquency? Juvenile delinquency. Sunil.
हजुर सर
Allah Bana, what is juvenile delinquency?
हजुर सर सुनिन सर बुझिन सर अलिकति
Juvenile delinquency.
सर जुवेनाइल भनेको सर अलिकति त्यो यङ हो क्या हो सर अनि अरु के रे सर अरु चाहिँ
Young, oh, good. Delinquency.
डेलिक्वेन्सी सर अलिकति थाहा भएन सर
हो यो चाहिँ के भनेदेखि जुवेनाइल डेलिक्वेन्सी, ब्याटर बेबी सिन्ड्रोम, ओके, दिस sugar daddy, okay, and a broken family, problem family, okay. It is a very common common topics in the this common words in the this behavior science. Juvenile delinquency, you are right. Juvenile means the this young age. Young age means below the legal age. What is the legal age?
Wait, sir. You, I think below 18 years.
Below 18 years. Okay, very good, very good. Below 18 years. Who will commit any types of mistake, illegal things during this age? Okay, this is a delinquency. Who fail the any commit the mistakes, illegal mistakes, okay, that is a delinquency. Okay, what to do for the juvenile delinquency? Who will commit the mistakes or will commit the crime, criminal activities within this group? What to do? What to do? Anyone? Anyone of you? कसैले 18 वर्षभन्दा सानो उमेरमा
रिहाबमा राख्नु सर।
क्राइम गरेको छ भनेदेखि त्यसलाई रिहाबमा राख्नेलाई के भनिन्छ? करेक्सन सेन्टर, रिहाब हो, रिहेबिलिटेसनमा राख्ने उसलाई। र अहिले त्योभन्दा पहिले मैले भनेको के भने बिहेभियर चेन्ज गर्नको लागि भूमिका निर्वाह गर्ने, त्यतिले मात्रै पुग्छ? ल मानिलियो 14 वर्षको कसैले क्राइम गर्यो हो, क्राइम यस्तो क्राइम गर्यो जो के हुन्छ भनेदेखि त्यो चाहिँ उसलाई माफ दिन सक्ने क्राइमै छैन। के गर्ने त्यसलाई? केही नगर्ने, 18 वर्ष नपुगुन्जेली उसलाई रिहाबमा राख्ने, उसमा राख्ने, के भन्छ त्यो रिहाबमा मात्रै करेक्सन सेन्टर भन्छ, करेक्सन सेन्टरमा राख्ने हैन। त्यो चाहिँ अब कोर्टले पनि त्यसलाई पनिशमेन्ट दिँदैन। र 18 वर्ष पुगिसकेपछि ऊ म्याच्योर भयो, उसको कुनै पनि त्यसमा एटिट्युडमा बिहेभियरमा चेन्ज भएन, उसलाई त्यो गरेन र उसको चाहिँ के भनेदेखि त्यो केस, त्यो क्राइमले अनि ऊ पनिशमेन्टमा जान्छ। लिगल्ली ही इज अ पनिसेबल 18 वर्ष पुगिसकेपछि। ओके ओके, एन्ड द अदर वर्ड्स आई यूज द battered baby syndrome. What is battered baby syndrome? थाहा छ? battered baby syndrome यो पनि बिहेभियरमा आउँछ, एटिट्युड बिहेभियरमा आउँछ। battered baby भनेको बेबी भनेको त बेबी भइहाल्यो, ब्याटर भनेको बेबीलाई पिट्ने, कुट्ने, चुट्ने गर्ने। तर कस्तो किसिमले भनेदेखि कसैको अरूको कारणले गर्दा, जस्तै घरमा हस्बेन्ड वाइफको रिलेसन राम्रो भएन हो, अनि बच्चालाई उसको रिसले अर्को बच्चालाई पिट्ने, कुट्ने, अथवा उसले थाहा नपाउने गरी, त्यो हस्बेन्ड अथवा वाइफले थाहा नपाउने गरी उसलाई ह्याम्पर गर्ने, घरमा राख्ने। इफ देयर इज अ सर्भेन्ट इन द हाउस, सर्भेन्ट इज नट सर्भेन्ट इज एङ्ग्री विथ द or this or boss or his boss, त्यो सर्भेन्टले त्यो बच्चालाई दिएको खानेकुरा उसलाई प्रोपर टाइममा नखुवाइदिने हो, अनि बच्चा रुन्छ, बच्चालाई के गर्ने? सिमोट्ने हो, नदेखिने गरी चाहिँ के भने बच्चालाई कुट्ने, हो त्यति मात्रै नभएर अब बच्चालाई कतिको भनेदेखि त्यो कति ठाउँमा त चुरोटले पोल्दिने अनि अरू भयो भनिदिने ओके त्यस्तो खालको त्यसलाई ब्याटर बेबी सिन्ड्रोम भनिन्छ हाउ टु फाइन्ड आउट द ब्याटर बेबी सिन्ड्रोम बच्चा इफ the child is brought to the OPD or the emergency or any place health places okay how to find the better baby if you see the different types of scratch different types of this wounds in the body okay at that time you can say the child is victim of better baby उसले थाहा नदिकन मतलब चाहिँ के रे यसलाई बेटर बेबी चाहिँ के भनेदेखि भएको छ बेटर बेबी सिन्ड्रोम भएको छ कसैले विभिन्न किसिमको एक्ट गरेको छ उमाथि अपराध गरेको छ that is also the crime then the doctor or the health personnel can report the child is not normal because the child could not speak but they have a multiple problems in the body chin like they scratch up a nail and then they scratch up the tooth okay this and this like different types of what to say नीलदाम हुन्छ नि त्यो नीलदाम देखिन्छ ओके पिटेको नीलदाम देखिन्छ त्यस्तो देख्यो भने that is the better baby syndrome okay and in this environment of the sugar daddy what is the meaning of sugar daddy सुनेको छ कहिले त्यो सुगर ड्याडी भनेको हेलो हेलो हरायो त
हजुर सर
व्हाट इज सुगर ड्याडी आउँदैन खोजी गर खोजी गर खोजी गर ओके नाउ the measurement of the attitude how to measure the attitude what is the way of measuring of attitude I have what is attitude I have taught okay now how to measure the attitude how to measure the person's attitude okay here measurement is the assignment of the mathematical symbols to objects and the events according to the rules measurement means should be shown the proof okay there will be points okay there will be tools to measure that points in order to assign different symbols different objects one must be able to differentiate objects on given aspect okay attributes are the property anything there should be objects without objects no measurement it needs objects okay it needs angle and that it needs symbol different symbols can be measured okay can be observed psychology always the difficult to observe give the objectives the tools symbols okay but they in to measure the attitudes there should be some attributes aspect, some tools, some objects, okay, that is it needs to measure it, okay. Some scales to measure the attitudes. We use some tools like Thurston scale of measuring skills, okay, most favorable through nature, neutral to most unfavorable, or the favorable to unfavorable. How to say favorable? How to say unfavorable? The Thurston scale says favorable to unfavorable. मन पर्नु र मन नपर्नु, मनै नपर्नु, मन पर्नुदेखि मनै नपर्नुसम्म। म एकदमै मन पराउँछु, एकदमै मन पराउँदिन। What is the gap between the favorable and unfavorable? कति ग्याप छ? एउटा लाइन, if you draw the line from different colors, okay, that is a one line of the different colors. Start from the red to this dim up to the black, and there is a no definite line, that long 1 meter line, okay, and there is a no definite line, definite place up to the red to the this black. Some there is some red, some white, some blue, some sky blue, some this purple, and they will say up to the black. And they say this is the strongly red in first line and strongly black in the last line. Okay. Then they what to say? This is the black first line. This is the black. This red in black last line, red first line. And what is the in between? What is the in between? Ali Ali, Ali Ali, Ali Ali, Ali Ali, अनि अलि धेरै, अलि धेरै, अलि धेरै. अब यताबाट काउन्ट गर्नु, अलि धेरै ब्ल्याक, पुरै ब्ल्याक, अलि ब्ल्याक, पुरै रेड, अलिकति रेड, थोरै रेड, रेड रेड जस्तो इन बिट्विन, यहाँ चाहिँ कलरै छुट्याउन नसकिने खालको हो। त्यसमा चाहिँ फेरि अब यतापट्टि चाहिँ के हुन्छ भनेदेखि ब्ल्याकको चाहिँ लाइन सुरु हुँदै हुँदै जाने। That is the Thurston scales to find out the these attitudes. And she first line, this word she is speaking good, and this word she is speaking little bit, and this word she is saying very badly. They like this one. Okay, this is the Thurston scale. Okay, Likert scale. Okay, measuring the attitudes. The another scale is Likert scale. That is a 5 points continuum. Okay, 5 continuum means strongly agree, agree, undecided, midpoints. Okay, disagree and strongly disagree. Then like a Thurston scale, there is a favorable to unfavorable. Okay, favorable to unfavorable, there is a gap to study the gap between favorable unfavorable. Like this, in Likert scales also, there is a 5 points. Okay, strongly agree, undecided, disagree, and strongly disagree. And they see there also some lines. Okay, some if I ask the question like a yes, no. Okay, I like this one. How much like? Okay, oh, it is I like, strongly agree. Okay, oh, I agree. It's okay. It's okay. But it's okay means something is less there. less there. Okay, undecided. What to say? Oh, this is there is bad points also. There is some good points also. What to say? If to say the good means there is some bad things also there. But this is the place or the point is undecided. Oh, there is some some disagree means some little. There is a very not far there that much far, but you decide disagree. Okay. Oh, त्यति मन लागेन ठिकै यो त मैले स्वीकार गर्न नसक्ने भए ओके स्ट्रङली डिसएग्री आई कुड नट एक्सेप्ट इट म मन पराउँदिन ओके दिज आर द पोइन्ट्स to measure these are the continuum to study to measure the skills, okay, attitude. This is the called Likert scales, okay. Bogart's scales. Social distance scale. Bogart's scale, social distance is called the social distance scale, which became a classic instrument to measure attitudes towards the ethnic groups. Okay. There are some points to measure it. Okay, like it is used in the caste system. It is used in the ethnic system. Okay, and there are like close kinship by marriage. Okay, how to in Bogart social distance scale? How much? We see the granddaughter's husband, granddaughter husband. Oh, she is my grandfather's sister's son. What to say? Grandfather, sister, son. Okay, this is skills like this like close kinship by marriage. Okay. Oh, how to make the kinship? Kinship means this okay, means the structure of the family. Okay, kinship, the family group. Okay, different groups, kinship, blood related groups. Okay, then they how to avoid the marriage in the within the blood groups. Okay, these are as a personal sums. How much personal sums is there? Okay, to measure by this Bogart's scale. As a neighbors, what is the distance of the social distance to neighbors? What to keep the relationship with the neighbors? What is my responsibility and what is his responsibility? Is he realizing the responsibility or not? Or I am realizing the responsibility or not? You see, this is the skills to measure. And in social science, in behavior science, to perform in the peoples, to performs in the peoples. This is the needs. Okay, as a collegius, how to use the how to act with the collegius, how to present the words in collegius, or how to behave in the citizens. Okay, how to behave, how to say the visitors. Okay, how to Hello. 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 Naman. Hello. Naman. Hello.
Yes, sir.
सुन्नेको छैन मेरो इन्टरप्ट भयो यहाँ ट्याक्कै. Okay. Then the visitors would exclude from my country. Okay. Would exclude from my country, or this is the distance scale. Okay. Distance, making the distance scale. Avogadro's scale is social distance. Okay. Then the next scale is semantic differential. Semantic differential scale. Okay. The instrument consists of the series of bipolar activities such as the fear, unfear, pleasant, unpleasant, good, bad, clean, dirty, valuable, worthless. Okay, that is a fear to unfear. There is a points in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is unfear. 1 is fear. Last time, this in this Thurston scale also I have given this distance. Okay, if the meter is on 4, what to say? 7 is on fear, 1 is fear, and the stick is on 4. What to say? What is the measure value of the 4? 1 is fear, 7 is on fear. What is the value of that 4? What is the value of 3? What was the value of 5? It should be measured in semantic differential. Okay, semantic. Just like valuable. 1 is valuable, then 7 is worthless. 1 to, there is a 7 of 1 to 7 point. Okay, there is a continuous. 1 is valuable and the 7th is worthless. What is the value of 4? What is the value of 3? What is the value of 5? What is the value of 6? Okay, it needs measure. Okay, the semantic differential scale is used to measure this scales. Okay. बुझिँदैछ नि? Okay. Okay. You measure like if somebody told like is saying wrong. Somebody is saying, I could not accept. I accept. I strongly accept. Like this one. This for this semantic differential. Then there are 7 points, 1 to 7, and the very starting is opposite sides. Opposite sides are fear to unfear. Fear means sides and the unfear is opposite sides. In between there 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Valuable is 1 and the unvaluable worthless is 7. Then the how much worthless? 6 is 7th is worthless. How much 6? How much 4? Okay. And the valuable, how much 3? Valuable, how much 2? Okay. And 1 is the valuable. How much 2? How much valuable of 2? How much the valuable of 3? And the 4 is a midpoint, okay? In 3 and 4 is also there is a gap. How much valuable? 3 to 4. And how much valuable 4 to 5? Unvaluable. From 4 point, start from the unvaluable. Worthless. How much worthless? 4 to 5. How much worthless? 5 to 6. 7 is worthless. And there is a gap in 6 and 7 also. What is the gap? That what will fulfill that? How much worthless fulfill that gap? How much worthless fulfill that gap? Okay, this is the semestic differential scales. Okay. Now, okay. Now, counseling. The counseling chapter will be studied in the next class. Okay, I want to ask some questions to you. How you understand the slides? How much you understand the lectures? How you understand the topics? What we studied? Okay, you have get something or not? बुझेको छ? Karishma, hello? Hello, you understand or not? Karishma Mandal.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Karishma.
Yes, sir.
How you understand? You are understanding or not?
Understood, sir.
बुझेको छ?
छ, sir.
बुझिनु पर्यो. मुख्य कुरो बुझेको छ कि छैन? बुझेको छ नि?
छ, sir.
जातमा सोध्दा आउँछ नि?
आउँछ, sir.
Okay, very good. Ramkumar, hello. Ramkumar.
हजुर सर.
हेलो.
हजुर सर.
यहाँ चाहिँ मैले बोलाएर आएको, यहाँ मलाई चाहिँ कम्प्युटर अन गरेर भागेको छ कि छैन भन्ने चेक गरेको पनि हो है.
हजुर सर, भागेको छैन सर.
भागेको छैन.
मोबाइलले
चेक गरेको पनि हो. अनि चेक गरेको पनि हो मैले है. कतिको बुझिएको छ?
बुझिएको छ सर.
बुझिएको छ. नबुझिएको छ भने मसँग सोध. बुझ्नुपर्छ. मुख्य कुरो भनेको बुझ्नुपर्छ. पढ्नलाई किताब छ हैन. किताब पनि त्यो अलिकति आफूलाई इन्ट्रेस्ट भएर बुझिएको छ भने मात्रै पढ्न मिल्छ है. र किताब हुँदैमा पढिदैन. मैले लेक्चर दिँदैमा तिमीहरूले जान्दैनौ, तर मैले दिएको गाइडलाइन, मैले दिएको उसमा चाहिँ अलिकति बुझ्यौ भने तिमीहरूलाई पढ्न सजिलो हुन्छ. पढ्ने काम त तिमीहरूकै हो हैन. तर मैले गाइडलाइन दिएको. म दीपिकालाई सोध्दैछु. हेलो दीपिका.
हजुर सर.
कतिको बुझिएको छ? के छ तिम्रो कमेन्ट्स? मलाई कमेन्ट चाहिन्छ. मलाई एकदम बुझिएन भने बुझिएन भन. कहाँनेरि अप्ठ्यारो छ त्यो भन है. ओके,
बुझेको छ सर.
तिमीहरूले मान्छे के भने केही मतलब क्वेसनहरू सोध्यो, एक्स्ट्रा क्वेसन भएर मलाई स्टडी गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ. मैले पनि स्टडी गर्नुपर्छ. म पनि विद्यार्थी नै हो. तिमीहरूले मलाई गाइडलाइन दिनुपर्छ पढ्नलाई पनि. यो गाइडलाइन मेरो पुगेन्छ भन्ने मैले हुन्छ. तिमीहरू पनि भन्ने गर. ओके, ल धेरै कम्युनिकेसन भयो अब नेक्स्ट क्लास विल स्टार्ट अफ द काउन्सेलिङ ओके काउन्सेलिङबाट हामी अर्को क्लास सुरु गर्छौं आजलाई क्लास यतिमै सक्दा के हुन्छ ठिकै छ हैन आजको हाम्रो 69 हो एटेन्डेन्स
72 जना सर
72 हो ओके ल तिमीले माने अघि मैले 72 भएको बेला चाहिँ मैले हेरिन तर भागिरहेछ दुई जना आउँदै जाने गरिरहेछ को आउँदै जाने गरिरहेछ पत्ता लगाउनु पर्यो तर रेकर्डमा सबै यो कति मिनेट बसेको छ अब सबै आउँछ ओके अब हामीले अब वेडनेसडे काउन्सेलिङको क्लास लिन्छौं विनुता म्याम छुट्टीमा हुनुहुन्छ थाहा छ नि हैन यो विनुता म्याम थाहा छ है विनुता म्यामको उहाँको चाहिँ घटना भयो ठुलो उसको मलाई फादरको एक्सपायर भयो उहाँ चाहिँ एकदम सकमा हुनुहुन्छ ओके बाई सबैलाई बाई बाई है त हेलो कि काउन्सेलिङ सुरु गरौँ च्याप्टर धेरै बोर हुन्छ भनेर धेरै लामो क्लास लियो भने बोर हुन्छ भनेर ओके कसैलाई केही भन्नु छैन नि हेलो
छैन सर
ल बाई बाई
थ्यांक यू सर